Dear members, this discussion is on behalf of the show which is going to be held on 27th February 2022 in Kannur under auspice of North Zone NPA India. Today's discussion is on the topic Fandile by Jillian Jacob, who won the Grand Championship for Fandile category of NPA India Pigeon Expo 2020.
Indian Fandile is the pigeon bird which is very complex and difficulty in breeding in its standard. It's because that each part of the species should come in equal. Then only it can be considered as first class breed. In any other species, either color or shape can be considered, but in this type of breed it is necessary to have beautiful shape from bottom to the top, that is lip to nails. Then only it can be treated as first class. When we talk about Fandale, it is a common doubt that whether the big or small bird are having different points. The point won't dictate if it is a small bird. If the combination is correct or it is a balanced combination bird, then it would be equal to the big bird. In small bird, it is very easy to have combination. The master judge should be a good breeder. A good breeder can only be a good judge. There are judges who is not a good breeder. They have only theoretical knowledge. They should have experience on growing pigeon. When any problem arises, they should have solutions for this. It won't get through any books. This is my personal experience. We should be self-independent to solve the issue. Then only they can be a good breeder as well as a good judge. They are called master judge or master breeder. Usually, big birds win the contest if it meets its standard. If one big and one small bird is shown same in all aspects, the judge will always have eyes on the big bird because big birds are difficult to prepare and they are weak in genetic, as they are different from other gene. Small birds are strong on the basis of gene. In that particular concept, the more privileged will be going for big birds. Ideal weight of a big bird is 550 gram to 750 gram. If it has increased, it's oversize. It is a common doubt of the Fandile breeders that which color can win the show. There is only one answer, that the color doesn't matter. The color is very difficult to breed and to maintain. It's common that marking bird, saddle, tail mark or white are likely to win the championship. It's very hard to maintain that level. The main aim is that the bird should show all the capabilities before the judge. It is not that easy. When we look into the show, saddle, white is very difficult to come into that quality. During an Indian Fandale show, it is not judged together. In an organized show, it is differentiated or categorized according to their color and sex, and it is judged. 4 sections are categorized among colors. They are self, that is white, black, red, which is of one color, and pattern wise, that is blue, black checker, etc., and marking words like tail mark, saddle, white mark, etc., and other color comes to pure grizzle, like those colors. Other categories of the birds which are less in number. Birds quality or standard is a basis of winning. It does not consider color. Always quality wins. The standard should be maintained. If it's shorebird or other, everything depends upon their gene. First should check gene quality, then actual performance and appearance. 6 months are needed for preparing the Fandales before the show. It is very important. Next, tip for presenting Fandales for the show. Always choose a mature bird, that is 8 months. Females are best to present in the show. Male birds are very restless, so that if a choice comes, choose a female. Should be clean without any disease. Birds should be neat and clean. It shows bird's health. Ideal age, young bird is at 1.5 age, that is 1 year. Then only birds get their finishing touch. In case of female, they should be breeded at least once. In case of male, they should be mated at least once. Then only their hormone will develop, which help in increasing their beauty of the bird. It's okay to bring a 8-month bird, but won't get that privilege. It will be considered as a baby bird. The main important thing is that 6 months is needed for preparing, because 2.5 months will take to grow a tail and fluff. After that, wings will take 2.5 months, but and the boot feathers will take 45 to 45 days. That is why it is mandatory to do a 6 months preparation. 75% breeders know the show birds when they are young. Select that bird which is not short backed, the tails and wings which has no complaint. Then wings should be cut off. Always bird should stand on their tail, then only it will become powerful. Wings should be cut off frequently. Individual cage should be maintained and should be trained. It is to indirectly giving signal that the bird is going to participate in the show. If its head is shaking continuously means it should be removed. But it is not a problem if it shakes sometimes. A good show bird should be made by taking some time, that is 1.5 months. After the egg is hatched, it should remove only after 10 days. Then only hormone cycle will be properly maintained. Then the baby will be healthy. It is a misconception that the show will win only if it is trained for so many days. No one should be tensed about untrained birds. The next main important thing is that birds should be out of stress. We should not increase the bird's stress level. Like, bird's stress level can increase if we always hold when we bath every time, when we take them bath every time, the stress level can increase very much. Then when fluff is pulled out, it won't be healthy. The body won't absorb nutrition and will become sick. Don't put in a thermocol box. Steel cage is enough. Don't touch frequently. It can get affected to their feather quality. If a bird is selected for the show, next is to tame them. Then take a vaccine, tips and mines treatment, buy drops from a branded company, put in a clean cage for preparation. Ideal prepared birds are prepare a colony and categorize female and male. Fantail feather arrangement. It can be done in two ways: layering or locking system or lacing. Layering is acceptable in the show and lacing is not acceptable. Please don't do that. Sprinkle water on coming fluff, which helps to increase the feather quality. Tail should be arranged from the middle. Then wings preparation should start, and at last, before 45 days, muff should be correct. Give nutritious food like calcium and vitamin for shorebirds like eggshell, clamshell. Give multivitamins. It should be given twice or thrice in a week. Don't give more than that for this particular purpose. And what are things we should carry to the show? Ideal pill or recovery pill. That if it is not available, you can carry I1 400, which can bring the bird active. And the usual food and water what we give. The cage should be very spacious. Below that, put some oak chips, which is available in pet shop. Put it before the show day. Prepare different kinds and which is of different style. Don't be in a same manner. There will be judges for layering. Don't worry on that. Please arrange the fluff slowly. Don't pull down and make it uneasy. If it is pulled out, please use Vaseline to fill those. Don't twist and make that hole so big. Please ensure that waste should not fall in the feet. Before exhibiting, clean it with the wet wipes, and we can use a dryer for drying those water. If you have any doubt, please contact the concerned person. Thank you.